Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you recently made a purchase on Nike and didn't receive an invoice, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your invoice from the Nike app or website in 2025. Let's jump right into it. First, open the official Nike website or launch the Nike app on your phone. The process is the same on both platforms. Now, normally Nike includes the invoice with the package when they ship your order, but if they missed it for some reason, here's what you need to do. Log into your Nike account using your email and password. Once you're in, go to your order history and find the specific order you need the invoice for. Now scroll to the bottom of the website and click on the help or support section. In the help center, scroll down until you see the chat with us option under the contact us tab. Click on that. A chat window will open. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Then select the issue you're facing. Choose something like missing invoice or order issues. Submit your query, and that's it. The Nike support team will get back to you via email. Once they respond, just explain that you did not receive your invoice and they'll help you to get it sent over. And that's how you can easily get your invoice from Nike in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.